Thanksgiving is fastly approaching, and you're probably left wondering, what in the heck am I going to do? Well, have no fear, Hussey is here for you, and I'm going to show you a simple Thanksgiving dinner that don't take a whole lot of time, but it's going to be some good groceries. Stay tuned. That's some good groceries.
All right, let's get started, y'all. I want to start by prepping some turkey tenderloins. You can get these wherever you find poultry in your supermarket. We're going to get those out of the package and just take some paper towels, get you some nice gloves too, and just really get that moisture off of the tenderloins. Now let's talk about seasoning. We're going to go in with some Blackstone SPG first. We're going to do that really well on both sides. Make sure it's all nice and covered. And then once we're done, we're going to add some chicken griddle. It's got some nice herbs and spices on it that really goes well with our Thanksgiving dinner. Now let's get our tenderloins onto the griddle. Griddle's on about 350 degrees, 325. The knobs, I have them on low, okay? So we're going to get our big dome. We're going to put that over those tenderloins. Helps get a nice convection going. Now let's talk about our corn. I got two 10-ounce bags of frozen sweet corn. Let's get that onto a buttered griddle. We're going to bring that corn and just put it on one even layer. We're going to add a little salt. We're going to add a little pepper to that. And just move your corn around intermittently and just make sure every little piece of kernel hits that griddle. Now we said cream corn here, y'all. Now this is the cream part of it. We're going to take about a half a block of cream cheese. I like to dice it up a little bit and then throw those dices of cream cheese onto our corn. We're just going to toss that around, get it warm, start getting it really warm through the cream cheese especially. And once it does, it'll start loosening up. Help it loosen up a little bit, we're going to take some heavy whipping cream, about a quarter cup, and put that over our corn and our cream cheese and mix that in really well. About 2 to 3 minutes total here, okay? Now, let's get that all on a single layer, and we're going to come over and check out our tenderloins. That's been about 3 minutes on that one side. It's got a nice little browning going on already. And every about 2 to 3 minutes, you just want to do this. You just keep turning your turkey. Now, to tighten our corn up, y'all, we're going to use a mixture of heavy whipping cream and about a quarter cup of flour. And we're going to pour this slurry, call it a slurry, pour that over our corn and watch it start thickening up. That flour is reacting with that heat along with the moisture, and it just starts thickening and thickening. Next, we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, about a quarter cup, to our corn, and that really helps tighten it up. It also adds a nice flavor, nice nutty flavor, and you can see it is just thicker than a Snicker. Check out these tenderloins. Look at that. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. Now, we're going to temp these, and we want to go to about 165 degrees. That says 163. It's going to carry over, guys. So get that over onto your cutting board, tin it a little bit with some tin foil. We're going to get our cream corn off the griddle.
All right, we got our turkey off of the griddle. Let's slice this up. We've let this rest for about 7 minutes, okay? That turkey is juicy. Oh boy. Y'all put this in front of Aunt Helen. She's gonna love you. Let's get this plated up. Got a beautiful plate. Now, got our cream corn here. Nice little dollop. And that, my friends, is Thanksgiving dinner that Aunt Helen is going to be proud of you about. Let's give it a try, y'all. Oh, it's so tender, so juicy. Very flavorful from that SPG and that chicken griddle. That was yummy. Let's give this cream corn a try. Right there. That's got creamy, crunchy, a little salty. Oh, so good, just written all over it. Good night in the morning. Y'all, give this a try. I guarantee you and your family or other people that you might be having Thanksgiving dinner with will love it too. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.